Good morning. This is Dr. Edge with the June 20th Monday morning forecast, the last day of spring. Summer weather's already here, however. Highs today inland, about 20 miles or more inland, should be in the low to mid 90s. Some upper 90s are likely in some areas. Yesterday was a rather strange situation. I looked at the high temperatures in the afternoon, and they were ranging anywhere from the mid 80s to the upper 90s from town to town. There really wasn't any rhyme or reason to it. Don't understand it. Don't know what was going on. I was looking for anything that made sense, locations near lakes. Um, I could not find any rhyme or reason to it. It was just one of those really strange situations where some areas were in the mid 80s and towns right next door. I saw temperatures in the upper 90s. Going to be somewhat similar today, although probably a degree or two warmer. Inland locations away from the coast, probably 20 miles or more inland, especially as you head up into northern New Jersey. Southern New Jersey, I think 15 miles or more inland, you're looking at low to mid 90s with some upper 90s. Northern New Jersey, you're probably looking at 20 to 25 miles inland, and further into northwest New Jersey, highs in the low to mid 90s with some upper 90s possible, and up into Orange County in New York. Slightly cooler, of course, in the Poconos and northeast Pennsylvania. East central Pennsylvania, same situation. Low to mid 90s, upper 90s likely in some locations. And it will be a little bit cooler in the northeastern New Jersey area. And when you get close to the Hudson River, some ocean and water influence there. Highs mainly in the 80s. And up into Rockland and Westchester counties. Tomorrow we're looking at some showers and thunderstorms. Highs a little bit cooler with the showers and thunderstorms and clouds from the approaching cold front. Highs should be mainly in the 80s tomorrow, although some low 90s will be likely into northeastern New Jersey, which is a little bit east of today. So we won't have as much ocean influence because the winds will be coming from the west. So it will actually be a little bit warmer in eastern sections tomorrow, northeast New Jersey, as opposed to today where it's further to the west that it's warmer. Those showers and thunderstorms now are looking possible into the afternoon, maybe even the evening, although that is a little bit of a change from the way it looked yesterday when it might end in the morning. Wednesday should be a fantastic day and cooler with highs in the 80s behind the cold front. Then on Thursday, we'll have another storm approaching from the west, a rather vigorous storm, in fact. This could potentially bring some significant rains to our area on Thursday. Again, that's going to depend upon the exact track of the storm, though. If the storm tracks a little bit further south, we would be on the northern edge and miss some of that. If it tracks further to the north, as it looks currently, we would have some significant rain on Thursday. With the rain, temperatures would be much cooler, with highs mainly in the 60s to possibly low to mid 70s in some locations, but most areas look to be in the 60s on Thursday if we do get that rain the way it looks right now. Friday through the weekend look nice, and highs mainly in the 80s, although on Sunday we could approach or reach the low 90s in some locations such as northeastern New Jersey. Next week, it looks like traditional summertime weather with the chance of thunderstorms right now looking most likely Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday of next week. Highs mainly in the 80s, although possibly into the low 90s in some locations. But again, next week, traditional summertime weather with occasional showers and thunderstorms. Right now, looking most likely Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday of next week. That's about it for now. I think yesterday there was actually a tropical storm in the western Gulf of Mexico. So that may have been our Danielle there. I'll have to look into that a little bit further, but I do think that developed and reached tropical storm status before reaching the coast of Mexico yesterday. As far as the other storm that I thought might be tropical storm Danielle, we're gonna have to wait and see what happens with that one today. That may be a little bit too far north to become a tropical storm, but it might. We'll have to wait and see on that. Anyway, have a great day. I will provide you with another video again, probably tomorrow morning. Maybe later today. We'll see how that works itself out. Have a great day, and thanks for joining. Bye-bye.